Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a habit tracker in Asana. This is a fantastic way to stay organized and consistent with your daily routines, whether you're focusing on fitness, productivity, or personal growth. Let's dive right in and get your habit tracker set up. First, head over to Asana and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar and click the plus icon, then select New Project. This will open up the project creation menu where you can start building your tracker from scratch. You'll see several template options, but for our purposes, select Blank Project. This gives you complete control over how you want to structure your habit tracking system. Next, you'll need to name your project in the project name box. Type Habit Tracker and click Continue. Now, Asana will prompt you to choose a view option. You can select from List, Calendar, or Board View. The board view is particularly recommended for habit trackers because it provides a visual, card-based layout that makes tracking progress intuitive and satisfying. Make your selection and click Create Project. Here's where the magic happens. Click Add Section to create categories for your different types of habits. For example, you might create a section called Health for Fitness and Wellness Habits. Add another section called Personal Development for learning and growth activities. You could also include a household section for daily chores and home maintenance tasks. These sections help you organize your habits into meaningful groups, making it easier to focus on specific areas of your life. Under each section, click Add Task and type the name of each habit you want to track. For instance, under Health, you might add Work Out or Drink Water. This is where you list all the specific habits you're committed to building. Now click on any task to open its details pane on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll configure the tracking settings, click the due date field, and set the start date for when you want to begin tracking this habit. Here's the crucial step that makes this a true habit tracker. Click the repeat icon just below the due date field and choose your recurrence pattern. You can set habits to repeat daily, weekly, or on any custom schedule that fits your goals. This automation ensures your habits appear consistently without manual input. Next, assign each task to yourself by clicking the Assignee field and selecting your name. This makes you accountable and ensures all your habits appear in your personal task list. Repeat these steps to add all your habits across all sections you've created. Once everything is set up, explore the different views by clicking the view options at the top, like Board View or Calendar View, to see which layout works best for your tracking style. And there you have it, a fully functional habit tracker in Asana that will help you build consistency and track your progress effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.